Jewelry shining so bright, strawberry.
Today I'm here with a Beast Form video. Today I'm gonna be completing my quest. And let's get started in the video. We're gonna be doing probably the strawberry and try to finish the pineapple today, so let's get started. So let's start heading over to the strawberry field. So just kill the spider real quick. Alright, let's get started. So we're almost finished. And follow me on Roblox and go join my group for weekly giveaways. Now, let's go sell our bag and go back to the quest. Now we're selling. Maybe we could finish about 2 quests today. Sorry for the difficulty. Let me stop and I'll come back when it's fixed. Sorry about that. I'm back. I just had a problem with the internet, so yeah. Let's get back to it. So let's go back to the strawberry field. I know y'all probably don't want to watch me get it, so I'll just cut that out and come back to y'all when I'm finished. Alright, see you in like 1 second. So I'm back. I finished the quest. Now let's go turn it in. Let's use this cannon. We got 10 treats, so that would be all for today's video. Like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and comment how many bees you have.